today I wanted to do breast cancer awareness, and I want to contribute this look to my aunt. She fought very hard with breast cancer. Unfortunately, she didn't make it, but that's okay. And I want to give a big thanks to everybody that has breast cancer or is getting tested for breast cancer, because it's something serious, and I feel like everybody should take it seriously. So, and I want to say thank you to all of you. So if you want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so to start this look off, we're going to start off with the Plouise base, and we're going to go ahead and put that all over our lid, and we're going to blend it out. That way we have a clean canvas to work on. Alright, so the first palette we're going to use is Take Me Back to Brazil, and the shade is Hot Pink. And we're going to go ahead and put that into the crease, and then we'll go ahead and blend it out. Okay, so the next shade we're going to use is called Love That, and it's in the James Charles, and we're going to go ahead and put that into the crease and build it up just like we did the other pink. Alright, using the same palette, we're going to use the shade Spooky, and we're going to go ahead and put this on the outer corner of our eye and blend it inwards, but not all the way. And you're going to want to go back and forth between the shades that you put down before, that way everything blends smoothly. Alright, to highlight our brow bone, we're going to use the Urban Decay Shapeshifter, and it's the rose gold color that's in the palette. And we'll go ahead and put that on our brow bone and blend everything together. Alright, so what I did was I just used the Plouise base onto a brush, and I just patted it down onto my lid. That way the shades have something to stick to. Now I do go in with the shade Skip, and I put that down first, and then I go back and I blend Spooky into it. Alright, so I use the shade Canvas, and that's in the same palette. And I just use that and I blend all the colors together, and I do go back and forth between the colors, that way everything is blended. Alright, and for the glitter, I use this gold reflectant glitter. It's by MAC. I'm not sure of the name of it, but once I put it down, I noticed like it wasn't sticking. So once I went off camera and I sprayed my face, I actually went back and added more of the glitter on. But I am using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner to do my wing, and then once I finish that, I'll come back with the finished look. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you enjoyed it. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.